Hey guys, what's going on? It's Chris from 3 Day Weekend. I've got another box from Polaris today, and I'm with the 2020 Pro XP. Got another accessory to install. Let's do it. As you have seen from another video, I have this rear trunk, but you might be asking yourself, what goes here? Answer, what's in that box? It looks small in camera, but it's pretty good size. Let's get this out. Looks pretty straightforward. Same latches as the other one. And just like the other one, our papers and our anchors are inside. This one comes with 4 anchors and the instruction kit, in case you're wondering. This is the part number we're working with today. And if you need replacements, there's the part number for the anchors. Just like the other lock and ride anchors we've seen, these came in various stages of assembly. This one, of course, being the worst. So we're just going to put that together. And then using a 1/2-inch wrench, we're going to tighten this lock nut so that it is up to the washer but not putting any pressure on it. That'll be our starting point. We can loosen and tighten, but in my experience, that usually gets you pretty close. If you do have one of these that is falling apart, you don't have another one to guide you, big plastic washer goes first, the plastic spacer goes next, the rubber goes after that, and then the washer last. And it all gets held in by the nut. We're going to start it right there. No play on it, but there's no pressure on it either. We'll see what that does for us. So let's take a look at the box itself. Just like the other one, it does have a seal all the way around. It sits up on this, so it'll be pretty water resistant. There's no drains, no holes, nothing like that in the bottom. This one is held on by the 4 anchors, 2 on each side, and it is pretty good size. I'll grab the measuring tape in just a minute, but I will tell you that a helmet will fit in there with ease, but I can do you one better. 2 helmets will fit in there with ease. No problem. So this is a pretty large storage cabinet. I really don't know what else to put in there to show you how massive it is. So let's take a quick measurement. Looks like it is just shy of 14 inches tall. Keep in mind it does go up another inch or so there, so we have a lot of space. And at its widest point, it is 27 inches wide. As you go forward, it narrows down to 24. That is a lot of space. Alright, enough about the box. Let's get it in the machine. Now, installation is breeze. Just make sure you got a nice clean bottom there. Remove any debris that you might have. And you can do this with the other trunk already installed. Kind of put it in an angle to get around the cage, and then set it in place. To have it in place, we just need to put in the anchors. I'm going to put the anchors in so this is facing away from me. Setting each one into position. Once you have them all in, just push down on the trunk. Snap your anchors into place. Now let's see how the rear one interferes. Oh, it's close, but it opens with no issues. Definitely is hitting it. It's actually hitting the latches, but not so much that it's going to close. I mean, unless you're facing uphill. And there's a possibility it was going to do that anyway. And that is the finished product. That looks pretty good. Nice and clean. So that was a nice, easy one for you today. If you feel we earned it, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. We'd really appreciate it. And also don't forget to click over here to subscribe to our channel so you can stay up to date on the latest videos. We also have a playlist of every video that this machine has been on and some other recommended videos there. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time on 3-Day Weekend.